Hi, everybody. Say hello, everybody.
Hi, everybody.
Hi, everybody. What are we standing next to?
Freaking engine.
Freaking engine. That's right. Freaking engine.
I'll put
Boom.
it together.
Freaking engine.
Freaking engine.
We got our 4A back. It's got big old holes, you know, real big. They're not big, but they're 20 over holes. I gotta do some painting on it, give it the old rebuild, and get the freeze plugs in. Oh, man. There it is. We got her back earlier than expected. So we're gonna go ahead and get the pistons and crank and stuff installed and have that all together and probably get it painted and everything too. That'll be nice. So she's sitting there pretty, ready for the head when I eventually quit being lazy and tear that apart that's been sitting on the bench. I thought I had more time. They said it was going to be a couple months.
Yeah.
That was what, a couple weeks?
Yeah, and they kept calling you like every other day.
Yeah, they were.
Hey, I got a question. And
Yeah.
they're like, they call you, hey, it's done.
Look at the floor from the Toyota painting. So yeah, we got her back. We're gonna go ahead and start putting it together since it's a beautiful day outside and we don't feel like working. Right? All right, let's get to it. here's the 4A. Bottom end's all assembled except for the pan because I got to have the 3A pan for that. Went ahead and threw the new oil pump timing gear on there off camera. So yeah, I guess that's how she's going to stay until I get the... So that'll be cool. Be nice this winter, get that engine all slapped back together after I finish wrapping up the head that's on the bench over there, you know, because I never get anything done when I say I'm going to. So yeah, I'm excited to get that engine in that car. I'm hoping it, I mean, it's only like an extra 25, 30 horsepower, but you know, and when you're working with 62 horsepower, that's like a supercharger. It should rip, right? No, probably not. So, yeah, I don't know. I'm excited about it. Can't wait to see how it runs. Be cool to make a video on swapping it. And I think I'll make a video of how it performs. Like maybe like a 0 to 60 video of before and then after. And just put both videos together. That'd be cool, right? I don't know. Comment down below if you think that'd be cool. I'll probably do it anyway, but input's nice. So yeah, that'll do it for the 4A bottom end assembly video. So I guess stay tuned for when we swap it in. If you haven't subscribed and you like watching these horrible videos, then subscribe and there'll be more horrible videos. Peace.